going on, everyone? Thank you guys again for tuning for another video. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be detailing my brother's car today, and he's gonna be helping me out with the headlights because there's a little bit of wiring, and I'm not too good familiar. Well, let me rephrase that. I'm not good with wiring. I don't want to burn anything up in the car, and that's a no-go. So today, he's gonna be helping me with the headlights. So we getting rid of the OEM ones. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna do the fog lights today, but I think most likely the headlights for today. And I get the pleasure working on his car. So he has a 2017 Subaru WRX STI. So I will be detailing this, and he's gonna be helping me out with the headlights. So it's gonna be a different day for me today, but let's get this going. Thank you guys again for watching. Thanks.
See the smoke when the sun shines. We will forever be faded under cold sky, captivated in your cold eyes. We will forever be faded under cold sky. See the smoke when the sun shines. We will forever be faded under cold sky, captivated in your cold eyes. We will forever be faded under cold sky.
So we already got our buckets going. I got the wheel bucket, and he's just not about to get started. I don't think I showed y'all the headlights yet. Y'all haven't seen them, have y'all? Well, he already went ahead and opened the box a little, but this thing, y'all gotta look at this. Look at this. Sheesh. Dang, look at them joints. Hey, see, we gonna get some new headlights today. It's gonna be nice. Dang. The reason why I went with these is mainly because I wanted to keep the boomerang. That's the main thing. I wanted to keep the boomerang, and I like the black housing. I like exactly how this headlight looks with the black. It's very different from the chrome, and it has LEDs too, which is a plus in my book. So it's gonna be very nice. I'm super excited. Look at this. Woo! Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. All right, guys. So a little update. So my brother went ahead and took the bumper out, and he already took the left headlight out. He's moving fast. So basically the headlight is held on by 10 millimeters. One up top, 1, 2. Then you got another one down here, and then the other one should be somewhere right here on the side. See that? One right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Take it out, and the wiring, I'm honestly not sure how he's gonna do it, but I know he has to tap into the negative and the positive on the other side, and from the out, well, and the plug, which is right here, he has to connect into it to get to the negative and positive. But than that, I know these are for the fog lights, but I know it says sound markers, but this is for the headlight. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna leave it to him because he's the one that knows about these things. Not too familiar with that. But I'll keep you guys updated.
Find out what these two wires are for.
Because I know this port is supposed to connect this way, but you see how this has the two missing? You're supposed to tap in to the negative and positive from right here. And there's a certain way you're supposed to wire them, so you have the DRLs when the high beams or the light beam or the.
Let me read that manual.
Yeah, it's in the manual, but it's somewhere like that. The OEM. Ooh, she gonna be looking pretty. So, quick update, guys. The headlights was a fail. It was a fail. The housing for the wire harness from the aftermarket ones, they actually do not connect correctly with the housing that I have in the car. So it wasn't like a plug and play thing. I know we had to run some wires and all that stuff, but the housing is not compatible at all. So that's a fail. But the fog lights is still a go. It's still good on the fog lights. The fog lights are still compatible. We're actually working on them right now. We have, I think they're all LED fog lights. So that black is gonna be looking real good, and it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. What I'm gonna end up doing is in the future, most likely gonna end up opening up the headlights and painting the inside with black. You know, touch up this black chrome right here. I'm sorry. Touch up this black chrome right here. Well, this chrome right here. I'm most likely gonna paint that black chrome and some of the little chrome pieces inside. I want to make sure it looks like somewhat like a, not all black out, but make it look nice. I want the boomerang to stick out a lot more than what it already does. So it's gonna be good. But we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so we all done. We got the headlights, I mean not the headlights, the fog lights. We got the fog lights working, and more importantly, I finished detailing the car. Sheesh. That's shine. Nice little walk around. It's a beautiful car, man. Gotta love it. Sheesh. Alright guys, so we're all done. We got the fog lights in. Sheesh. It looks so cool, even with the car turned off. It looks really, really, really good. But thank you guys again for watching. We really didn't do too much today, but you know, little by little the cars get in there. We got slight more mods coming for you for my Subi. But thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.